Hey people, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Today we will learn how to download pie chart in Google Sheets. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Sheets software. Now you can see here the data table of pie chart. Now I am select the table, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu and select the chart option. Then click the setup option and click the chart drop down menu. And we can see here the pie chart. You can select the pie chart, otherwise donut or the 3D pie. Now I am select the pie chart. Now you can see here columns is many. Now I am select some column. Then again go back the option and insert the pie chart. Then close the window. Now you want to download this pie chart, click the more option and select the download chart option. You can download the chart as a PNG, PDF or SVG option. Now I am click this PDF and we can see here the PDF. Now I am open the PDF on another tab and we can see we downloaded the pie chart very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.